hear me better now? Well, I gotta take the box off this truck. So I hope you're happy about that. Good radiator right there. Good air box. We got good parts down inwood, boys. Good window piss jug, you know? Good front cross support member. This old rusty hunk of shit too, Evan. What the fuck? These little rinky dinks on here. I just gotta unbolt a couple boards, cut this thing off the frame, put the boards back on. Grandma's your sister. What the fuck is that? So you guys excited about the merch or what? Or I'm just a dummy? Hopefully you guys love it. That hurt me. Ouch. But I've been trying to catch this friggin' rabbit. Somebody's friggin' just letting rabbits go. There's, I guess, 2 white ones and a black and white one. But I only ever seen the 1 white one here. But we had a wild rabbit. His friggin' lair was right here. You can just see the little lair that he had. And he would just lay there all the time. But there's pieces of rabbit all over the place. So I think the neighbor's kitty got him. And the neighbor's kitty was in the chicken backyard too the other day. Frickin' Besant. Frickin' dogs getting too much as chickens. Frickin' cats coming over here biting the rabbits and our chickens and stuff. Them guys no good. Just simply wow. Holy living shit. This is custom. Somebody bought this off me. Twice as much as I paid for the whole truck. In the stores. Now I gotta get it off. Ouch, ouch. No, she's good. That's how you know it's good. Little tip for you. Just weld her on. Just weld it on. The tip of the day, boys. So that's good. Big fan. Big fan. Ow. Oh, these tail lights are probably gonna just fucking break right off, so that's good.
Just a little fucking gap in the middle. So fucking like right in there.
I don't know,
How are you gonna get this out?
well, we should just leave it, because where are we going to put it?
Yeah.
Buddy's not going to be here for a week or some horse shit, so you can just fuck right off. I stole these. I think that one's yours. I think this one's mine. That one's yours. Friggin' A rights, boys. Parts. Parts really bad. Oh! All the Watme's out. Nobody wants to give me all their money for that BM cigarette.
All the money for the BMW?
Yeah, nobody wants it.
Oh, of course not.
Oh shit. All the accessories. I'll try that one out. GoPro is just garbage, so I don't know. I don't even know what to do, losing footage and freaking not recording audio and having to make videos 7, 8 times. I don't want to make video once. Make me do it 7, 8 times, for sakes. Good lard. Oh, gets me all riled up just thinking about it. We'll try this bastard out and see what happens. It's supposed to be more better. I don't even know how to get into it. I'm too stupid. Probably too stupid. Oh! You just flick it open and then this thing comes rocketing out onto the floor. That's a good design.